Hello engineers, welcome to Byju's Exam Prep, the most comprehensive exam preparation app. Do you know that more than 15 lakh engineering students graduate every year in India? And 7 lakh engineers compete for 10,000 plus vacancies in various central and state government organizations. What's more, the salary package and the work-life balance in these departments are much better than what IT companies offer to engineering graduates. Being an electrical engineer, if you also dream to get selected for government jobs, then you must be prepared for various exams such as ESE, GATE, BARC, State AEJE, etc. and face the well-acknowledged cutthroat competition. With GATE, you will also get the opportunity to pursue higher studies in the best Indian institutes and foreign universities. However, it is observed that most of the electrical engineering graduates are unaware of the career opportunities available to them once they attain the engineering degree, which leads them moving from their core technology to IT, BPO sector career options. So today, I, Ashutosh Saxena, will share important details of the most sought after exams for electrical engineers, which an engineer should focus on in the best possible way. Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, or as we widely know as GATE, opens door to several career and higher education paths for you to pursue. Let me briefly introduce you to some of these opportunities. GATE is your gateway to pursue degrees like MTech, MS, PhD in India's best institutes like IITs, IISc, NITs, and other government institutes. You can also join as management trainee or assistant engineer in central government PSUs like ONGC, IOCL, NTPC, PGCIL, and BHEL, or state government authorities on the basis of valid GATE scores. While you get higher studies opportunities in India with relevant scores in GATE, you also get to pursue education in renowned foreign universities like National University of Singapore, Nanyang Technological University, Singapore, Technical University of Munich, and RWTH, Aachen, Germany. You can also work in government companies, institutes like DRDO as Junior Research Fellow. Engineering Services Exam or the ESE is a chance for engineers to be a Class 1 officer. This is similar to being an IS officer. Through ESE, candidates are recruited as officers for the services belonging to the technical and managerial functions under Government of India. ISRO Scientist Exam brings to you the opportunity to be a part of one of the best space research institutes in the world. Engineers can be a part of ISRO by just clearing a written exam followed by an interview and can contribute to the nation's growth. BARC Scientific Engineer Exam is for recruitment in nuclear science, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. BARC also recruits engineering graduates through a test, which is tentatively scheduled in the month of March or April. Similar to ISRO exam, by clearing a written exam followed by an interview, candidates can get the opportunity of a lifetime to serve the country. Some other opportunities for GATE electrical aspirants. There are many other AEJE and PSU exams that are conducted regularly for job opportunities in government organizations. Candidates also have the opportunity to become an assistant junior engineer through exams like SSC JE, RRB JE, UPPSC, MPPSC, UKPSC, TNPSC, TNEB, etc. Apart from these, candidates can also write state PSUs like UPPCL, WISAG, TNEB, GENCO, TRANSCO, Metro, etc. exams. These are the major career options for engineers, for which Byju's Exam Prep offers a comprehensive study plan and test series. On Byju's Exam Prep app, you will get access to live courses by top faculty, daily study plan, comprehensive study material, latest pattern test series, notes and PDFs, and much more. Not just this, you can download and store the class on Byju's Exam Prep app and watch it offline. You also get to practice the previous year papers of last 5 years. Our experienced faculty have aced many exams themselves and have helped many students of Byju's Exam Prep to achieve their goals and dreams. At Byju's Exam Prep, you stay on top of all the information about various exams like EAC, GATE, and other technical recruitment exams. So students, don't wait anymore. Start your exam preparation journey now and boost your exam score with Byju's Exam Prep.